Ports Minister Michael Lobo is planning to bring a casino vessel double the size of the one restricted by the Captain of Ports. In a circular, the maximum size of any vessel is supposed to be 90 meters, the Congress alleged on Saturday. The Captain of Ports had said that a bigger vessel than this could block the river channel, and also permission cannot be given to such a big vessel. However, they claim that permission was given due to pressure by a minister and want the ACB, Lokayukta and CBI to take cognizance of it.
The Congress alleged that Ports Minister Michael Lobo wrote to Captain of Ports to register this ship and allot it an appropriate place. Captain of Ports obliged to its own rules and agreed to bring in the vessel. Alleged Congress, a casino had written to Captain of Ports to replace its existing casino vessel with a new one. Listen to Congress spokesman on the issue.
Saying that he wants to get casinos in the Aguada Bay. He wanted to get casinos from Panjim into the Aguada Bay. But from the document that I've got, it appears that it was to get another casino, a new one, a bigger casino, which does not fit in the rules of the Goa government. This Delta Cruises gave required information. Now what they have said there is that the ship that they are trying to bring in place of this Royal Flotilla was built in 1997 and its length is 122 meters and breadth is 27 meters. Now as per the circular of the Captain of Ports, the maximum length of the ship can be 90 meters. While another letter dated 26 November 2019, the same company proposed to bring in a vessel which is 132 meters in length and 26.82 meters in breadth. Now 132 is exactly double the length of the existing casino ships which are there anchored in Panjim. On 12 December, marine engineer Octavio Rodriguez and Deputy Captain of Ports Premla Sirsaikar have noted that getting such a vessel, is dangerous to the environment and could block the navigation channel. What happens is this ship is very long, so they cannot maneuver in the mouth of the river. So if that comes, it could block the channel by chance if it is grounded. They have put it in the notings. They said in the past history, even 2,000 tons barges get grounded in the channel. And we have seen cases like that in Panjim and Miramar. This ship which they are trying to bring is 20,000 metric tons. Despite this glaring illegality, the Minister of Ports, Michael Lobo, on 30th of December, wrote that NOC to register may be issued to acquire and bring the new vessel in the river Mandovi, and asked the department to suggest an appropriate place to anchor this ship, the big vessel. 2020, Secretary Ports P.S. Reddy opined that before registering and bringing the ship in Goan waters, a place should be identified to anchor the ship, as the present site where other casinos are anchored is dangerous for safety and security of the passengers. This is what the Secretary of Ports has written on the file noting. But the Ports Minister on 9th of June has in his file noting put that NOC for replacement of vessel and mooring should be in Mandovi River, where all other casino ports are anchored. And despite this earlier reservation, Secretary of Ports and Captain of Ports have gladly obliged. On the 10th and 15th, they have signed this. They have agreed against their own notings, where they said it cannot be put in the river Mandovi, this Captain of Ports and this Secretary of Ports, they have agreed. It is a fit case for Anti-Corruption Bureau, Lokayukta and also CBI. Because the bribes that have gone into this, to do this illegality, I mean, we will go to court, we will get more documents, we are going to go to court. And I think everybody was involved. From the marine engineer, Captain of Ports, Deputy Captain of Ports, Secretary Ports have to be probed and punished for this illegality. They may try to change the law now, again, to give permission to this bigger ship. But as of today, the law does not permit a ship of more than 120 meters length.
Shamchari for Goa 365 from Panaji.